the sign of the number. We have river temple here.
River temple.
Yeah.
How old?
It's been before the Capella. This is from the villager temple. This is your fan.
So, river
10.
10.
Number 21. The name is Cartographer.
Okay.
So like welcome home. Please mind the step.
Super.
You stay in the jungle. Below is the temple from here. This one. River temple.
And down also few different plots.
Yeah.
So one, and one.
The 10.
10.
This is the room, yeah.
Yeah, one and below as well.
Oh no, only one. They have the pool is below.
Так, so
During the night you bring the sound of the nature here.
so monkey is there.
It's not very much the
Okay, go inside.
yes, this. So for the door we have two Balinese door. This both door you can lock from inside. But when you're going outside, make sure you lock the door, cause we are stay in the jungle. Sometimes windy, the door will open by wind. Welcome home.
Так, so
Let's stay here. That's it. So let me to explain
Yeah.
while you have the picture. So in the on the table we have this is the soya bean crackers. This is oatmeal cookies, and then infused rum with ginger. If you drink alcohol
that, yes.
during the night, it's bit cool. Take 1 or 2 shots.
Okay.
It's great. Make it warm your body. We have game for you here. The Jenga.
Okay.
All the information, our activities, the room service, we have here.
Camping space. Okay.
Yeah. And then the room key here. make it tea or coffee. Coffee tea selection. Sugar, this is the selection. And then in the box, this is your refreshment. Selection of beverage here. For the beverage, this is the soft drink, beer, the bintang beer, still and sparkling water here is free. For the wine, champagne and then spirit will be chargeable. We have this here.
Big list.
Yeah. No price, complimentary with the price chargeable. Oh, you like it, so. You like it, sekarang?
Just drop somewhere there.
Jadi jam. Nanti dia.
So, what's next?
We have the all information, our activities. Yeah. Every day different activities. And as well, this is the benefit of the Capella member, Capella Discovery.
Discovery.
Yeah.
Only benefits? No,
Here.
no losing.
Pardon?
No losing, only benefits.
Yeah.
So, this one. Beautiful.
The shower we have indoor, and then as well outdoor. The outdoor shower. The hair dryer, the amenities, and then we have the soap selection. For the soap, have 2 pieces free. The throne, this is the throne.
Ah, throne.
Unique thing, yeah. The flushing here.
Okay. Throne. Okay.
This is for the privacy, the black thing. And then the laundry. Laundry free 8 pieces per day. The laundry for the washing. Please put in the bag for the laundry. When we are clean your tent, we will take the laundry.
Okay. So, what is more?
The safe is here. To keep it your valuable belonging, and then all the small window you can open to see outside, like this. The charging in the side, and the light below the bed. So any assistant dial 0 from here or through our WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp. Just scan here.
Mhm.
This is for the icon controller, the remote control for the icon.
Yeah, super.
That's all. So like,
That's all.
yeah, information for the our camp.